let's start with chapter number 12, important days. We have many important days. We celebrate different days which are very important to us. Like we have Children's Day, Teachers' Day, Gandhi Jayanti. We have different days which we celebrate in our country. Now let's start with the chapter. There are many festivals celebrated by the people. The festival convey important message to people. Besides festivals के अलावा कुछ important days हैं जो हम celebrate करते हैं festival की तरह. These days also convey important message. Celebrating these days is of significant value. क्या रीजन है कि जो हम देश को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इनके कुछ सिग्निफिकेंट वैल्यू है? जैसे दे मेक द पीपल अवेयर अबाउट हैपनिंग जो हमारे आसपास हो रही है. They broaden the outlook of the people. The people acquire information about various important issues. They motivate the people to think about the action that can be taken. ये लोगों को मोटिवेट करता है जो भी एक्शन उन्हें लेने हैं. The people in turn become thoughtful and are moved. This help them to think and solve problem. और वो easily अपनी problem को solve कर पाते हैं. Some of the social issues today are neglected by the children's right. That is illiteracy, pollution and epidemics. The national and international days are celebrated. किस फॉर्म में हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? स्टेज शो करवाते हैं, ठीक है, डिबेट्स, एग्जीबिशन, प्रोसेसिंग होती है, प्रोसेशंस होते हैं और क्या होता है? फिल्म शो. In this chapter, we would study about some of the important days. First is Children's Day, which is celebrated on 40th November. और इस दिन किसका बर्थडे होता है? हमारे पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, who was the first Prime Minister of India. Celebrated on 40th November happens to the birthday of पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. हमारे पहले Prime Minister थे इंडिया के. He was very fond of children and he was lovingly called Chacha Nehru by the बच्चे उनको क्या कहते थे? चाचा नेहरू के. On this day, many school children go out for picnics, school distributes sweets, another gives day of कोई day off भी था, छुट्टी के देते हैं बच्चों को. और कहीं स्कूल्स में क्या होगा? टीचर्स अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए डांस और डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज को, एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम्स को परफॉर्म कर. Next is Teachers' Day. It is celebrated on 5th September. It happens to be the birthday of S. Radhakrishnan. He was the second president. He was the second president. He was simple man and he was a great teacher. And the school has different ways of celebrating. Some school arts have hardworking teachers. In some school, children prepare culture program. Teachers followed by teachers को lunch दिया जाता है और prize distribute whatever. We have World Health Day, which is celebrated on 7th April. This day happens to be the day when the World Health Organization was founded. जो अपन WHO है वो कब फाउंड हुआ था? 7th April को. इसलिए इस दिन हम इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. ये मेनली जो ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, it is concerned about the health of people. It aims to help people in such a way that all the people acquire highest possible health. कि लोग क्या कर सके? Highest possible health को acquire कर सके. And this day is marked as an important एक्टिविटीज से ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप लगता है, इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम लगते हैं और क्लीनिनेस ड्राइव. एंड द डे इज ऑल्सो मार्क्ड बाय लॉन्चिंग अवेयरनेस कैंपिंग जैसे हेल्थ हैजार्ड ऑफ पॉल्यूशन या इम्पोर्टेंस की बात करेंगे एनवायरमेंटल सैनिटेशन पे, पर्सनल क्लीननेस. नेक्स्ट इज लिटरेसी डे. कब होता है? 8 सितंबर को. एंड दिस डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड टू कन्वे इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन. ओनली द एजुकेटेड पीपल जो होते हैं वो हेल्प करते हैं इन द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ द कंट्री. Many children and adults having poor family background, they are unable to attend school, but those who undertake literacy mission, वो क्या करते हैं? वो move out of their school and colleges into the community और वो teach करते हैं लोगों को. And they are provided with the kit. एक उन्हें kit provide करते हैं जिसमें books होती है different levels की. And on literacy day, educators and their subjects whom they all get together in a particular school and college. And the kit is returned along with the books duly. Next is World Environment Day. It is celebrated on 5th of June every year. ये mainly इसको celebrate किया जाता है to spread awareness amongst the people through world regarding need to control pollution. It motivates the government of all countries of the world to think about the soil. ये countries को motivate करते हैं कि आप भी इन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचें. Like controlling pollution, चाहे वो air हो, water हो, soil हो, noise, आपको control करना. रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ वेस्ट जिससे आप रिसोर्सेज को कंट्रोल कर सको, पॉल्यूशन को कंट्रोल. प्रोटेक्टिंग इंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज, आपको इंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज से प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स को क्या करना? प्रोटेक्ट कर. प्रोटेक्टिंग एंड प्रिजर्विंग फॉरेस्ट, कंजर्विंग नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, आपको नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को कंजर्व करना है और क्या करना है, प्रोटेक्ट करना है ओजोन लेयर. On this day, one Mahotsav is celebrated in India. All the children enrolled plant trees in the villages, towns and cities. Many awareness campaigns are organized and they are concerned with conservation of environment. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा concerned रहते हैं conservation of environment. Now our chapter has been completed. I have told you about different days we celebrate, like we celebrate Children's Day on 40th November, Teachers Day on 7th November, 5th September. ठीक है? We celebrate Literacy Day on 8th September. Yeah, we celebrate World's Environment Day on 5th June. And 7th April, what do we celebrate? We celebrate World Health Organization Day. Okay? And we are doing many important work for solving the problem of illiteracy, environment, the problem to solve. Now, we will do the exercise of the chapter. Let's start with pick the correct answer. Children's Day is celebrated on 40th October, 14th November is 40th November. 7th of April is the Literacy Day, World Health Day, or Teachers Day, World Health. Important days are celebrated in a form of state shows, debates, या procession. Important days, जो them important से. Teachers Day is celebrated on. It's celebrated on 14th November, 7th April या 5th June. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन गलत दिया हुआ है. टीचर्स डे कब होता है? यहाँ पे आप सितंबर कर लेते हैं. It is celebrated on 5th of September. Important days acquired information about various issues, days or months. Issues. Now in same the when Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was very fond of children. Dash was a simple man but a great leader. कौन? एस राधा कृष्ण. डॉक्टर एस राधा कृष्ण. सर्वपल्ली. Dash is concerned with upkeep of people's health. WHO, World Health Organization. Dash people can help in the progress of the country. कौन help कर सकता है? Literate. World Environment Day celebrated on, कब celebrate करा जाता है? 5th June. Right, T for true and F for false statement. There are only one festival celebrated by people. False. There are different festivals that are celebrated by people. These days do not motivate people. False. ये क्या करते हैं? Motivate करते हैं. S. Radhakrishnan was a simple man but a great teacher. It's true. 8th September is celebrated to convey the importance of education. False. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. It's true. Now, match the column. Children's Day, 40th November. Teachers Day, 5th September. Health Day, 7th April. Literacy Day, 8th September. And Environment Day, that is 5th June. Now, answer the following question. Why is the Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September? Because it is the birthday of S. Radhakrishnan, a great man and a great teacher. Why is the celebration of, why is Children's Day celebrated on the Nehru's birthday? Because children love Nehru most. And what they call them, Chacha Nehru. What activities are organized on the occasion of World Health Day? Programs चलाए जाते हैं, immunization program चलाए जाते हैं, ठीक है, cleanliness program चलाए जाते हैं. What is the need to educate the people of the country? क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें हम क्या कर सकें? Aware कर सकें. On which date World Environment Day is celebrated? On 5th June. Now here you have to tell how are the following days celebrated in your school. आपको खुद बताना है कि आपके स्कूल में किस तरीके से इन डेज का सेलिब्रेशन हो. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.